Hi, you're probably wondering why am I sleeping in my parka? Well, the thing is, I live in Amsterdam and it's a beautiful place to live in. However, it's October now, which means... well, it also means bills for gas and electricity because I hate waking up when it's cold, so I want to fix this. The idea is quite simple. I have master thermostat knob which controls temperature in all the apartment. All I need to do is to design a device that rotates the knob at a certain time, let's say 1 hour before I wake up, and to a certain temperature, so I can wake up in a warm apartment. And since I don't want to reprogram the whole thing anytime I need to change something, the easiest way would be to control it using my phone with the Bluetooth. To create this connection, I'm using Remote XY, a very intuitive online service for creating interfaces. So easy, feels like cheating. Okay, so to be able to adjust temperature precisely, I am using stepper motor. It's super easy to control. The circuit works, so now I need to design a thing that is going to hold on to the knob. It should be strong enough not to slip, but not too strong so you can't remove it when you have to. So this is what I came up with. This is a beautiful 3D model of a gear. It has 3D printed springs and moving parts to adjust grip strength. The only problem is it doesn't really work. Once it's on the knob, it's really hard to lock it in. Another option I printed was way too loose, so I did a bunch of iterations and this is what I ended up with. It is pretty basic, the design is very straightforward, but then it works. Now when I have my thing, it's time to design the full setup. This is how it looks like. Stepper with a sprocket rotates the gear, which is locked on the knob. Very simple design. Let's assemble and lock it on the thermostat right away. Let's test the motor before we assemble it. As you can see, it works, so we can set a sprocket in place. First thing you need to do is to calibrate the device. It means to set amount of steps the motor rotates to change temperature by 1 degree. I ended up using 420 steps as an optimal amount. Then you can remotely set a temperature to a specific value. Another way to use the device is a wake-up mode. You can set a time and it will change temperature once the time on the internal clock of the device is matching your setting. Here it started working a bit sooner just because internal clock of the device is off by 10 seconds. Let's put it up in place and test it again. Well, as you can see, everything works. I don't know what you're gonna say. Yeah, you can buy Google Nest, blah blah blah. Yes, you can, for 200 euro. This whole thing cost me about 25, maybe? Look, and for me it goes like this. If it looks stupid, but it works, it's not stupid. Thank you for watching.